today I'm back in the kitchen and I'm going to be making a pizza. And so what you'll need for the ingredients is 100 grams of white flour, 100 grams of brown flour mixed together, a bit of caster sugar, a bit of dried yeast, a bit of oil and hot water. So now we're going to put sieve the ingredients into the bowl. So you'll need about a tablespoon of sugar. I'm going to do it over the bowl. Whoa. I dropped it. I'm just going to put that in. Okay, and then put the brown flour and white flour in. And then I'm going to put this in on top and then I'm going to start stirring. So you'll need all of this packet. I'm just chopping it open. Okay, and then I'm just going to sieve all of that. So now we've sieved everything in, we're going to just mix everything together so it just like blends into each other, and then we're going to push it into the middle and make a hole in it. A tablespoon of your oil, and then just put it into that hole. Okay, now you need 120 mils of warm water, and I think you're going to pour it into the hole as well. Whoa, it's exploded. And then you're just going to mix that in. And it should start coming together into a dough for the pizza. And then we can make like the sauce, and then you can put on toppings and stuff after we've made the dough, because dough is the main part of the pizza. Because if you didn't have the dough, then it'll just be nothing. It'll just be tomato sauce with a bit of a few toppings on it. You want to mould it so it comes together, and you want to get all the ingredients from the side. So if it's not coming together, you'll need a tiny bit more of warm water and a tiny bit more oil. And we need it because it wasn't coming together for us, so we've just put a bit more oil and water in, and I just dropped the lid off it. You want to keep mixing it in the bowl with your hands. Yes, it is quite sticky and quite messy. We just added a bit more water because we need to add it. So when you've been kneading it for about 5-ish minutes, you need to poke it, and if it like springs back, which ours is doing, then that means it's good, and you need to cover it up and leave it somewhere warm for about an hour. Hello. You want to wrap it up with tea towel. Get out. This is messy. So now we're going to make the sauce whilst the thing is on the windowsill doing what it needs to do. So we're going to put some oregano in it, some passata and some sea salt. So, I can't open this thing. You want to put enough passata in it, it'll cover up the bottom of the pan. Oh, my bad. And I think we should use the spoon to help us get it in. Whoa. That overflowed. You know, I'm just going to dip it in. I think I put a bit too much. So you need a tablespoon of oregano and 3 twists of salt.
Oh, it smells amazing. 1.
So you need 3 twists of the salt. 1, 2, 3. And then you're going to put the pan on. And you're just going to stir it for about 5 minutes. And you want to make sure that the handle is never facing out here. Otherwise, if someone comes along, you might twist it and knock it off. Just want to stir this for 5 minutes. So as you're stirring it, do it slowly so it starts to thicken, and make sure you keep it over the heat. A, so it can do what it needs to do, and B, so you don't get burnt. So now it's starting to bubble, you need to turn the heat down. Like that. So after about 5 minutes, it should turn nice and thick to how you want it on your pizza. And then you're just going to turn the pan off like this. Ooh. Now you're just going to leave this at the back of your stove until it's ready to put on your pizza. So now we're on to the toppings, and I'm going to cut up my salami into pieces, and then we're going to cook it because we want to get all the oil off for when we eat the pizza. And we're going to do individual ones for each of us. I'm going to put it in the pan to get rid of the oil. Bacon. Okay, so we're going to chop this end piece off because we're going to make some garlic bread with that, but you don't have to if you don't want to. And then the rest of it will cut up into 4 pieces because we're going to make 4 separate pizzas. So we can all have what we want on our pizza. This is hard to cut than I thought. Okay, we're going to flatten these 4 pieces out because we've just cut them. And we're going to use the rolling pin. We should have put some flour down, but we didn't. I think that's good. So now we've rolled 2 of them out, we're going to put them in the oven, and these are massive. So we've got a bit of butter, we put it in the microwave for 20 seconds, we put some garlic on it, and then we put some herbs on it, and that's going to be spread on top of the garlic bread. And then we're going to mix it. And you need to get all the herbs from the outside. So I'm going to take the pieces out of the oven, and we've grated up some cheese in there. Hot! I can't get the other one out. Okay, so they've started to cook, and we put them on, and we're going to put the toppings on the bottom. The sauce first, and put that on, and then just nicely spread it around. And you don't want too much. Okay, make sure the sauce goes right to the edge on your pizzas, and you only need enough for it to stick. For the toppings to stick even. Now we're going to get a bit of cheese. Just gonna sprinkle that all around. Don't want too much either. Make sure the cheese has come right to the corners, and then you can put some of your toppings. So, take this off. I'm gonna put a few salami pieces on. Oops, just dropped a few on the floor. We haven't got that many toppings, but we can always cut up some more. Now we're going to put it back in the oven for 5 to 10 minutes. Now we're going to spread the garlic butter thing onto the garlic bread. Well, the bread. It's hard to get it off the spoon. I thought we wouldn't have enough, but we've still got a few bit in there. This is hard. So we've put a bit of grated cheese on the garlic bread, and we are going to put this in the oven now. To take one of them out of the oven. Oh, they look good. And that's your finished pizza. That's good. Ben, because your opinion is with the pizza. Yours is that one. It's a bit big, but I meant with the garlic one. Good? Yeah. Out of 10?